Wassce 2026 for private candidates. This is called Mathematics Paper 2, Compulsory Question 2. So we have subtraction involving algebraic fraction. So let me repeat the question here. So the first term we have 4 out of y squared minus 4. So minus second term. So the second term we have 1 on y squared minus 3y plus 2. So the first thing we want to do is to factorize the denominators of each of the algebraic fractions. Now the first one, how do we factorize y squared minus 4? So straight away there is difference of two squares, but to make it possible we need to write 4 in terms of power 2 or exponent 2. So 4 in terms of indices could be written as 2 raised to the power 2. So we now have our difference of two squares. So anytime you have difference of two squares and you want to factorize, just take the first term minus the second term in one bracket, multiplying another expression, but this time the first term plus the second term. So that is how we factorize difference of two squares. And then what of this quadratic trinomial? We also have a quadratic trinomial, that is y squared minus 3y plus 2. So we know that the coefficient of y squared is 1 and the constant here is 2. So 1 multiplying 2, that is 2. But then we are looking for factors of 2 whose sum should give us negative 3. In other words, we are looking for two numbers such that when you multiply the two numbers, it should give us positive 2. At the same time, when we add up these two numbers, it should give us negative 3. So what are the numbers? So the numbers we have minus 1 and then minus 2. Because minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, that is positive 2. And then minus 1 plus minus 2, that is minus 3. So we can move on with the factorization. So we have y squared. Now we are splitting minus 3y into these two factors. So we need to attach y. So minus 1y is the same as minus y. And then minus 2y. Then plus 2. The next step is that we have to group them. So we group them. We're going to group the first two terms and then the last two terms. Now with the first two terms, is there any common factor? Yes, the common factor here is y. So we are going to factorize y out, leaving y minus 1. Then we have our minus sign, and also with the second bracket, the common factor is 2. We factorize 2 out, leaving y minus 1. So we have y minus 1, y minus 1. So we select one of them. And then the outside factors, we have y minus 2. So this is what we need. We need y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2. That is for the factors of the difference of two squares. And also with the quadratic trinomial, we need y minus 1 multiplying y minus 2. So the next step is that we are coming to do substitution. So for the first term, that is 4 on. So this time, in place of y squared minus 4, we just substitute these factors. Y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2. So minus 1 on the denominator. Now this time, in place of y squared minus 3y plus 2, we just plug in these factors. Y minus 1 multiplying y minus 2. So now, we all know that anytime we are faced with a common fraction and we want to simplify, what do? So let's say we have a common fraction. Let's say 1 on 2 minus 1 on 3. How do we simplify this? So the first thing we do is to find the LCM. We need to find the LCM. We know that the LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So again, because we have subtraction involving fraction and we want to simplify, we equally need to find the LCM. So we want the LCM for these denominators. So what then is the LCM? What is the LCM? So the LCM, we have y minus 2, y minus 2. So we are going to write one of them, just one of the factors. So y minus 2. And again, I could see y plus 2. So multiplying y plus 2. And then finally, I could see y minus 1. So this is the LCM for the denominators. So once we know our LCM, what do? We divide 6 by this denominator. So that is 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. And then we multiply the 3 by the numerator, in this case, which is 1. Here, what is our LCM? So our LCM here is, let me get some space. So this is our LCM. Our LCM is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So we are going to divide the LCM by the first denominator, which is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2. So what do we see? We could see that y minus 2 can cancel out, and then y plus 2 can also cancel out. So we are left with y minus 1. So we are going to multiply this numerator, which is 4, by y minus 1, as we did for the normal fraction. So we are going to divide this denominator by the first denominator. Sorry, we divide the LCM by the first denominator. That gave us 3. So as we divided, we are left with y minus 1. And what do? We multiply 3 here by the numerator. So we have multiplied y minus 1 by 4. So we have our sign. We introduce our sign. So at this point, our sign here is minus. We are going to repeat the same process again. we are going to divide the LCM, which is 6, by this denominator, which is 3. And then this gives us 2. What do? We multiply these 2 by the numerator, which is 1. So we are going to repeat the same process. Now, our LCM is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So we divide the LCM by the second denominator, that is y minus 1 multiplying y minus 2. So y minus 2 and y minus 2 will cancel out, and the y minus 1 will cancel out, leaving y plus 2. So we are going to multiply y plus 2 by the numerator, and the numerator here is 1. We know that any expression multiplied by 1 is the same expression. So we'll be left with y plus 2. So we are almost done. Now we just simplify the numerator by expanding the brackets. So now let's finalize everything we have here. So let's expand the numerator. So 4 multiplying this expression. So 4 by y, that is 4y. And then 4 by minus 1, minus 4, minus. So here is minus 1. So when we expand the bracket by minus 1, we have minus y minus 2. So everything divided by the LCM. We know that the LCM is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So I think we still have some common terms. 4y, okay, let me group them so that it makes easier for us. 4y minus y minus 4 minus 2, all divided by the LCM, which is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So 4y minus y, 3y, and then minus 4 minus 2, we have minus 6, all divided by the LCM. And we all know the LCM, which is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So can we still factorize the numerator? Yes, we can factorize. What is a common factor? 3 is a common factor. So when you factorize 3 out, we are left with y minus 2, all divided by the LCM. All divided by the LCM. And the LCM is y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So we could see that y minus 2 and then y minus 2 can cancel out. Y minus 2 can cancel out. So what is the final answer? So the final answer is 3 on the remainder of the LCM, which is y plus 2 multiplying y minus 1. So this is the final answer. Thank you.